Faceless YouTube videos are currently one of the most profitable side hustles, especially with documentary channels earning tens of thousands of dollars each month. You might be thinking, that's great for them, but I don't have video editing skills or the money for pricey editors or software. Fortunately, you can still create high-quality faceless videos using a less pricey and straightforward tool like Canva. I've created a faceless video that matches, if not exceeds, the quality of those produced with high-end tools. In this video, I'll guide you through the process step by step with just your smartphone. Let's get started. To create videos in Canva, you need to start by selecting the video format. Canva offers a plethora of tools all in one platform for free. You get access to graphics, photos, videos, text, music, and even AI, text to image, and text to video generators. To get all Canva Pro features for free, go and sign up for a free 30-day trial and try it out. So you will begin with your voiceover while Canva provides an AI text-to-speech feature. I recommend using ElevenLabs for better quality. They offer a free plan with around 20 minutes of voice generation per month in the voice library. Choose from a variety of high-quality AI voices. Personally, I prefer the Brian voice for these videos. The script of a documentary is probably the most important part. So I highly recommend you look closely at how other successful channels are writing their scripts. For this example, I have written an intro for a documentary about ancient Egyptian civilization. Simply paste in your script and select Generate. Now import this voiceover in Canva. As you can see, the voiceover appears at the bottom of the screen. This is where the editing is going to take place. And I'm actually not going to start with the voiceover at the start of the video, but I'm going to create a suspenseful buildup to really hook the viewers into the video. So I'm going to drag the voiceover a little bit further onto the timeline for now. So I want to start with a black screen. To do this, you want to select the first scene, go to colors at the bottom of the screen, and select a black color. Next to the colors, you can set the duration of a scene. I want this to play very short, so I will set this one to have a second. Now, for the next step, I want to briefly show 4 images or videos to set the mood of the video. To do this, I will go to elements in the toolbar on the bottom left side of the screen. Because I'm making a documentary about Egypt, I'm going to search for pyramids. Let's start simple with a photo. Enlarge the photo so it fits the entire screen, and I'm going to set the duration of this scene to 1 second. Now, to add another scene, you simply select between the 2 scenes and select Add Page. This time I will search for Egypt, and let's add a video for this one. Just like the last scene, I'm only going to show this scene 1 second, so let's speed up the video a bit. To do this, you need to select the scene and go to the far right bottom of the screen and select playback and increase the video speed. Now, again, let's change the duration to 1 second. I'm gonna repeat these steps for 2 more scenes. I do think the first scene is a little bit boring. However, I have a great trick on how you can bring your images to life. Simply select the scene and go to Effects at the bottom of the page and select Background Remover. Then go back to Elements and let's search for a video we can use as a background. For instance, our sunset video, again, enlarge it so it fits the entire screen and move it to the background. To do this, you want to go to Position and then select Backward. To easily keep track of all your videos and images, you can go to Layers. Here, you can then select the image or video to make adjustments. I'm again going to speed up this video and set the duration to 1 second. Another trick you want to use is to add an overlay effect. Simply go to Elements and search for Camera Overlay. Enlarge the video, and what you now want to do is decrease the transparency. To do this, you want to go to Transparency and set it to, for instance, 20%. Again, don't forget to adjust the duration, and you now have a vintage camera effect. I'm simply going to copy this effect and also place it onto the other scenes. All right, now let's see how this looks. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, that's not very impressive, but hold on, because there is one simple trick to make this seem extremely impressive. Let me tell you a secret. You don't need to be a great video editor to make good videos. However, you do need to be good at sound design. So let me prove to you that sounds can completely transform your video. Picking the right sounds and music always depends on your type of video. I have also put a list with sound effects in the description of this video so you can use those as a starting point. To do this, you want to go to Audio in the menu bar at the bottom of your screen and scroll to the right side of your screen. Simply search for a sound effect you think suits your video, then drag it to the right place in the timeline. I always suggest you listen to the sound effects in between placements. To adjust the volume, simply select the sound effect and go to the volume icon. Then adjust the volume to your liking. Simply repeat these steps until you have all the desired sound effects incorporated in your video. I'm also going to add a video of some camels for the next part of the documentary. And now let me show you the start of the video with sound effects. So, you know what I mean with you don't have to be a great editor, you just have to be good at sound design. I think we can all agree that that's looking a lot better all of a sudden. The next step is to simply play the video and listen to the voiceover to determine where you want to switch up the footage. Place the timing bar to the point where you want to switch up the footage and simply select Split Page. Then go to Elements and search for a piece of footage you want to place here instead. Enlarge the video so it fits the entire screen and repeat this for the rest of your video. Play the video, listen to the voice over to determine where you want to switch up the footage. Place the timing bar to the point where you want to switch up the footage and split the page. It's as easy as that. The last step is to add transitions in between scenes. To do this, you simply want to select in between scenes and select Add Transition. Pick one you think fits best with your video. Keep in mind that you definitely don't need to add transitions for every scene. Again, the easiest way is to look at how other successful videos are incorporating this and take inspiration from them. I personally like to use slide and fade transitions. To complete the video, I suggest you add a few more sound effects, for instance, where you have added the transitions and you are done. Now let's take a look at the final result.
For thousands of years, the majestic pyramids of Egypt stood tall in the desert, shrouded in mystery. Held within their silent stones are the secrets of a civilization lost to time. That remained the case until the pivotal date of July 19, 1799. During Napoleon Bonaparte's Egyptian campaign, a French soldier stumbled upon a significant stone approximately 35 miles east of Alexandria. This discovery unveils a dormant written language that had remained silent for millennia. The translated texts would later emerge as the crucial catalyst for unraveling the mysteries of an entire civilization.
Personally, I'm super impressed with the result, and this is only scratching the surface of what's possible with Canva. So let me know if you want to see more ways on how to use Canva to create faceless videos, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and until next time.